everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use service mode on this Bosch WMSAE612W. Now, this is made by Vestel, so this process will apply for any of the Vestel made machines. So basically anything that has this sort of style fascia. So it could be Bosch, Electra, Logik, I can't think of the top of my head of other ones, but anything that looks remotely like this or that you know is made by Vestel, it will be the same process. So firstly, we need to make sure the drum's empty and we need to close the door. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn the dial to the first position, which is coarse and 90, while holding the button furthest to the left, which in this case is delay timer. And when you've done that, the wash light will stay on, the spin light will go out, it will lock the door and begin filling and do the spin test. And now it's filling again and slowing down. Now we'll do the tumbling test. Now it's using the softener valve. There's the heater, and there's the heater off. That is the end of service mode. So you'll notice all the lights have gone off. So to exit service mode, you just turn it off and turn it back on. As soon as you turn it back on, it automatically drains out the water. Don't know why they couldn't just implemented that into the service mode, but there we go. And now it's back to normal, and you can select your wash cycle as you please, like so. That's the end of the service mode. I hope this helped you. Please note that service mode is designed for diagnosis of faults, and it's not to be messed with by using with laundry or by, you know, anyone who is using it for any purpose other than diagnosis of faults. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it helped you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I will try and reply to all comments. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.